So, you are running a digital agency wearing multiple hats. You run the whole show, from client onboarding to managing leads to project management to invoicing. And you're juggling through multiple apps and tools to manage the different aspects of the agency. And you're spending tons of money while using those apps and tools, but still not satisfied with the performance. Thanks to OneSuite, the next-gen solution streamlines digital agency management and makes your life easier, saving you time and money and helping you grow your agency. With OneSuite, you can automate tasks for your leads, making sure you never lose track and helping you win more projects and increase profit. OneSuite helps you with effective project management. Whether you have a small project with only a few task lists or a long-term project you want to manage in a Kanban board. Also, there are templates to help you start a project in a minute, deliver more projects, and grow your agency effortlessly. Not just that, you can invite your clients to the client portal, where they can create tasks and see the progress of their projects. This will increase transparency and build confidence in your team. You can also create NDAs, proposals, agreements, and quotes in OneSuite. There are pre-made templates for you. You can create documents and share them with your clients and leads to sign without even writing a single line by yourself. Invoicing can be challenging sometimes if you have many clients to send invoice in different currencies. OneSuite makes invoice management extremely easy. You can easily take payment to your Stripe account just by sharing the payment link. Later, you just clone the invoice and update the invoice number. It's super easy. And the best part, you pay only once to grab OneSuite Lifetime Access and enjoy agency management software for life. This deal won't last forever, so hurry up! OneSuite is a game changer. It brings back the focus to your agency management, so come and join us.